I've seen this demonstration called many things, but I like the name Galileo's pendulum the best. And we've all seen, a normal pendulum where the teacher, start up here and maybe put his face by it or something like that, and they'll let go and it swings and it comes back. So let's just test it out. I'm going to hold it here, and I'm going to put a line with digitally, and we're going to see if the pendulum can come back to the starting position. Alright, we're going to do it a second time. But now we're going to add this piece of wood or the stick in between the top and the bottom of the brace, and we're going to swing the pendulum again. But now we need to make a prediction. When the string hits this, obstacle, what's going to happen? Is it going to come back to the starting position after it goes? Is it going to be less? Is it going to be more? What do you think? Take a second, make your prediction. What is going to happen when I swing the pendulum and it hits this obstacle? Alright, you should have had time to make a prediction. Let's put our weight back up here. Let's add our line. And let's see what happens when we let the weight go. Let's check it out again in slow motion. Thanks for watching.